What's for dinner?
Welcome back, I'm Chef Z, and today we're making a delicious pineapple salsa that's perfect for summer. And talk about it going great on your summer grilling favorites. This honestly smells amazing, tastes amazing. Let's go ahead and get started. Making this pineapple salsa is super easy, and the trick is to use all fresh ingredients, and this is the absolute best salsa recipe for the summer because it's so refreshing. So to kick things off, we're actually going to dice our pineapples into really small pieces. The smaller, the better. Now hear me out. I highly recommend that you use fresh pineapple, and you can use a pineapple that's already pre-cut in the grocery store. However, I do recommend that you stay away from canned pineapples simply because this salsa recipe doesn't taste the same since the pineapple flavor is a little bit different. Once you've diced all of the pineapples, you want to make sure to transfer into a large mixing bowl, and you want to make sure to get all of those juices because that's really going to contribute to some really good flavor. And now we're going to bring our salsa together by adding some diced red bell peppers for some vibrant color. We're going to add some red onions, but you can also use some white onions. I'm going to add some jalapeños without the seed just to control the spiciness. I also added some diced cilantro, and I'm going to be adding some fresh lime, and you definitely want to use fresh lime because just like the pineapples, using the fresh fruit is going to give it that much more flavor than using, let's say, like a bottled lime. Now I do want to add that you can definitely add tomatoes if you want to, and you can even grill the pineapples beforehand if you wanted to have a slight smoky flavor. We're going to add about half a teaspoon of kosher salt, and then we're going to mix everything until it's well combined. And as you can see, this salsa is full of beautiful color, which makes it all the more delicious. You want to let this salsa sit in your refrigerator for at least an hour, and feel free to enjoy with your favorite grilling, protein, or even taco night. I'm Chef Z, and until next week, buen provecho. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. This recipe is super easy to make. Remember that you can find it on my website. Subscribe so that you don't miss out on all my new recipes. Click right here for more yumminess. I'm gonna go ahead and dig right in.